Bikers don't fear the storm. We ride through it. Because every storm, just like every challenge in life, eventually passes. And on the road, you learn something powerful. Courage isn't found in perfect weather. It's forged in the moments when the skies turn dark and you keep moving anyway. In 2026, let Vietnam be where you test your spirit. Face the elements and discover how strong you really are. Storms come and go, but the rider you become lasts forever.